Hey fellow YouTubers, my name is Scott and I'm brand new to YouTube and I've just started up my channel, Vandingo. Why Vandingo? No clue. Actually, van, because we're going to be doing some van building. Dingo, I got this attraction to Australia and all of the cool things that seem like they happen in the outback in Australia, and put it together and Shazam, we got a creative name for new YouTube channel. So it's during COVID here, and I went out and pulled the trigger on a bit of a impulsive purchase, and let me share that with you. And here's that impulsive purchase. It's a 2021 Mercedes Sprinter van and 170-inch wheelbase. It's the 2-liter turbo gas version. Thought long and hard about whether I wanted a diesel versus this, eventually what I purchased here in the gas version. And I'm just really pleased with it. Not only the transmission and the way it mates up with this 4-cylinder turbo, but I'm getting surprisingly strong gas mileage. I mean, clearly it's empty at the moment, complete blank canvas. It'll be interesting to see what the mileage is when it's loaded. It's also got this unique feature. Some might say a bit of an obstacle. It's got 2 sliders, so that'll make for some creative build requirements, but it's a complete blank canvas as we sit here today. It's Thursday this week. Friday tomorrow I've got 5 windows showing up, so I'm going to be putting windows in the sliders, and 2 additional on these back panels on the passenger side, and 1 more on the driver's side, then 2 windows in the back doors. So there's a lot to learn, lot to do. I'm trying to be as methodical as possible. I'm not in a big hurry, but really looking forward to beginning this project and getting started. And because the van's a little bit tall for my wife to jump into it, I bought those hoop steps, and they're going to go in as well. But there's a whole lot that needs to be done, right? The plans need to be pulled together, and design and approach and building materials. A lot to come in this brand new channel. So hit the subscribe button, give me the thumbs up, join Vandingo, and hopefully we'll all learn something together as we strike out on this adventure of van building. Be good. Talk to you soon.